Pete Gustis here, Springer Realty Group, 610-209-9219. Looking at 111 Verdure Lane in Douglassville. It's a nice home, a little bit of updating recently. 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2-car garage, fenced-in yard, and a great neighborhood. If you're looking to move in Douglassville, let's go check out the inside. Right, going into the home, you'll notice there's been some updating. You do have some very nice flooring, new paint, and a pretty open layout. So you have your living room or family room here, first floor powder room, with a pedestal sink. Coat closet. First floor laundry. All the appliances are included, by the way. And your kitchen. This is a nice open floor plan. The countertops are pretty new. Dishwasher, gas oven, island. You have a small pantry here. There was a 85-inch screen TV on the wall here, so the mounting is still there. So if you want a big TV, plenty of room here for a big TV. And it does overlook the deck. So it is a little rainy. I apologize. Switch to the other video so you can get the sunny view. Garage just got epoxy coated, so definitely a nice garage. 2-car garage, plenty of space, and it is finished. Formal dining room if you need it. Nice for entertaining your friends and family. And of course, since it's an open concept, it kind of wraps around. We were in this room first. Let's check out the basement. The great thing about the basement is it is all open except for a little bit of room for storage. Motion sensor activated light. So you have a big space here and a lot of possibilities. You have to just decide what you want to do with it. Water treatment system is included. You have a security system. Radon reduction system. Panel here is hooked up so you can have a interlock for a generator. Then you have more utilities and storage on this side. You got your sump pit right there. No water, that's why there's no sump pump. High energy efficient gas. And your basement does have a walkout, which is great. The swing is also included, so it's a nice thing to have here. Okay, moving upstairs. 4 bedrooms upstairs, 2 full bathrooms. Master suite goes right to the right. Master suite is a nice large size. Walk-in closet. Walk-in closet gives you plenty of room. You do have attic pull-up. Jet soaking tub for the bathroom. Dual sinks. A shower stall, so you have both options. And then 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. So these are actually very nice size bedrooms, and all this has been freshly painted, so it does give you some nice options. You got a closet, of course. Large closet. Full bathroom. Another nice sized bedroom. Okay, and the real nice thing about the yard is you have the fenced-in vinyl privacy fence with drive-in, nice large deck. Let's check out the view. And you have a walkout, of course, for the basement. And here's your new fenced-in yard. The backyard does have a wooded area owned by the township, so it won't be developed. So it does give you privacy in a great neighborhood. It's very peaceful. You got 1 willow tree and the rest is all open space. All right, there's your tour. Come and check it out. This one won't last. 610-209-9219 if you want this home or want to buy or sell in Douglassville. I look forward to hearing from you soon. It's Pete Gustis.